Hi and welcome back. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Well, not different for me, but definitely different for this channel. I got a commission to do 3 portraits of kids, and yeah, I'm just going to walk you through my process a little bit. So I've just done the 3 ones and I've just outlined them roughly, just to know where all the different things are situated. And these are the colours I'm going to be using. Well, these are the colours I like to use for portraits. So obviously, white. I like to use Windsor blue, or sometimes I use Prussian blue. It just depends on what I'm going for that day. But at the end of the day, there's not a huge difference once they're mixed up. I like to use burnt umber and pale umber. And I also like to use yellow ochre. And today I'm also going to be adding a little bit of Naples yellow. So I haven't really used that for portraits, but yeah. And I've also got all these other colors that I'm going to be mixing in sporadically. I don't know if I'm going to use all of them. I might not use any of them, or I might use a couple of them. But anyway, so this color palette I really like. I don't like using black in a realistic portraiture because I think it just makes it look a bit cartoonish. And what's great about these colors is they work for every skin tone. By mixing the blue with the burnt umber, you can get some really dark skin tones, or you can get really pale skin tones by just adding a lot of yellow ochre and white. But yeah, so let's get this started. So usually, as a rule, it's always better to paint with a live model in front of you. Well, be it a person or a bouquet of flowers or whatever you're painting. It's always better to actually have the original in front of you rather than a photo. However, whenever it comes to kids, it's not realistic thinking they're going to just sit still for a painting, and it wouldn't be fair either. So these 3 paintings are going to be based on photos that the person who commissioned the paintings gave me. Also, because she has 3 kids, and one of them is quite a bit older. She has 2 twins, and one of them is now a grown-up, and she wants the paintings of the kids to be all at the same age. So obviously we can't just go and make the daughter how many years younger than she is now. So so yeah, that also definitely has to be done using existing photos. And I won't be showing the photos here on this video of the kids. You're going to be seeing the paintings anyway, but I don't think it would be right, especially when it comes to kids. I just don't even want to put somebody else's kids on the internet. I don't think that would be right. So yeah, you're just going to be seeing the paintings. So what I like to do is actually, I mix a little bit on the palette, but I actually also like to mix on the canvas. I think so many areas just need mixing all the time in a portrait. You really need to, almost every little dot of somebody's skin is a different color. So yeah, I mix and blend directly on the canvas too. So now that I've got a background color for everything, I tone the canvas with colors that that are necessary for the painting. So this is what I start with, and then I start going in and working on the detail. So I'm gonna do that next. here we have the finished paintings. So on the side, you can see we used a color. It's the color that goes with the decorations in the room that they're going to be hung up in. And for the signatures, I like to put them on the side with the year that they were painted, so that they don't take away from the painting. I think this one is super funny. Yeah, so that's that. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and write me a comment if you have any requests about any future videos. Did you like this kind of video, or do you have any other ideas of things that you would like to see? And don't forget to subscribe for future videos. See you next time. Bye.